The next chapter of enterprise transformation is here. AI, data, and workflows unified on one platform that replaces chaos with clarity. This is the ServiceNow AI platform where intelligence isn't added on, it's built in. Here's the big picture. AI is everywhere, but it's fragmented. Every company is racing to launch AI agents, yet most end up with scattered tools and disconnected data. ServiceNow brings it all together, AI, data, and workflows, into the enterprise-grade platform you already trust. We don't just build AI, we put it to work for you. Hey there, I'm Courtney McShane, Area Vice President of the AWS business at ServiceNow. I'm excited to show you how ServiceNow serves our customers across any industry, any workflow, any AI, any data, any cloud, notably AWS, and any system, Whiteboard style, a rendition of Michael Park's AI Masterclass. So let's get started with data. Every great AI system starts with great data. Turning data into useful insights which drive actions that drive results is where ServiceNow thrives. We have a single data model, which is a centralized structure that supports multiple industries and buying centers all from one data model, unlike many other organizations who have multiple data models that were never integrated. This avoids tech debt by eliminating the need to synchronize disparate data models. Now, this data model has a network of 200 plus certified integrations that power connected, intelligent workflows, and it includes Integration Hub. Integration Hub connects hundreds of enterprise systems. Think SAP, Oracle, Workday, Salesforce, transactional systems of record, and synchronizes master data, think about assets and customers, into the ServiceNow data model. We then have zero copy connector access to external data lakes, Snowflake, BigQuery, Databricks, without importing it. And we also have that with AWS Redshift. This enables remote querying and inference without data duplication. Then we have external content indexing, which is a brand new capability to ServiceNow. So think about SharePoint and other document repositories. We can connect, understand, and act on any data to fuel human and AI-powered workflows. Gartner estimates that 60% of AI projects fail due to a lack of AI-ready data. Why? Because most organizations are burdened by this fragmented, unstructured, inaccessible data that's scattered across hundreds of systems. Think ERP, HR, CRM, apps, to data warehouses, data lakes, and hyperscalers. It's this complexity that stalls automation, slows decisions, and limits the potential of AI. ServiceNow's Workflow Data Fabric is a unified architecture designed to support high-performance AI workflows by integrating both operational and analytical data sources. Connect your structured, unstructured, and streaming data in real time, both inside and outside of ServiceNow, without the complexities of having to duplicate it, to transfer it, or build customizations to integrate it. We enable the ability to connect to any system 3x faster and reduce costs up to 70% versus traditional tools. As Michael Park mentions, you can do a remote distributed SQL query from this layer into other data sets, query the data, and fuel our LLMs in the AI layer. Knowing that AI agents are constantly pinging this data, ServiceNow recently introduced RaptorDB. That's our high-performance database, and it offers two unique features. One, column indexing replaces traditional row-based storage and parallel processing. So think about breaking larger tasks into smaller subtasks and then efficiently distribute them across multiple CPUs so they can simultaneously be processed. This has improved transaction times for our customers by 53%. You run reports, analytics, and list views 27 times faster and unlocks a 3x increase in transactional throughput. We've also found it delivers 5 to 10x faster query performance, which is essential for AI workloads. One of our valued customers, Dish Network, provided a quote, and they said, as a major US wireless provider generating over 2 petabytes of data daily, they have resulted in a 97% improvement in their mean time to repair versus their legacy processes. So then we bring in Knowledge Graph, and that's ServiceNow's semantic map of your enterprise. It understands how data processes and people are connected across systems. By mapping these relationships, it eliminates the manual effort and guesswork traditionally needed to find, relate, and use information. And the result is that there's super fast decision making to direct AI agents where to retrieve data. So that brings us to the AI layer. Let's start where we are today. We are moving from a world of simple automation where systems just followed instructions to a totally new era of agentic AI. These are AI agents that don't just automate tasks, but they can actually execute complex business processes on behalf of humans. Here's the challenge. For AI agents to be truly effective, to deliver real business value, they cannot live in silos. They need a single platform that can access all of your data, process it in real time, and govern it securely. That's where most enterprises get stuck, because even our most strategic customers, global brands with the best technology stacks, have their data spread across hundreds of systems and data lakes and hyperscalers and business apps like ERP and HR and CRM. And at ServiceNow, we've solved that problem in a unique way by bringing the data and the AI and the workflows together on this one platform. It's not just us saying it either. Gartner recently ranked ServiceNow as #1 in building and managing AI agents. In their use case, their 2025 Gartner Capabilities Report for enterprise low-code application platforms. So let's unpack what makes this platform so powerful. We start with workflow automation, which is our foundation. These are familiar tools like service catalogs, flows, and playbooks that let anyone build workflows without writing code. Then we add predictive intelligence, so AI ops and machine learning that use recognition from patterns to turn insights into action. Then our automation capabilities kick in with task mining, process mining, and RPA to automate repetitive work at scale. On top of that, we layer LLM skills. This is our Gen AI features like summarization and code generation built on Star Coder 2.0 and Hugging Face and integrated natively into Now Assist. Skill Kit, lets you create and publish custom prompts and skills for Now Assist, which provides greater flexibility and control over how Gen AI shows up in your workflows, allowing you to tailor Now Assist capabilities to your business context. So then we move from skills to agents. Once you have those skills, you can start to leverage AI agents, which are single-purpose agents designed for tasks like IT incident research or customer service conversations. They combine knowledge graph intelligence, LLM inference, and automation so they can understand, reason, and act. Now, imagine all of these agents working together. And there are over 100 plus out-of-the-box AI agents in Yokohama, which is our recent product release. But think of it as a super agent that can sequence and coordinate multiple agents based on user intent and workflow context. It's how your business starts to run itself. Then we get to AI Agent Studio, and here's where it gets really exciting. With AI Agent Studio, anyone, developers, domain experts, can design, test, and deploy their own AI agents. You can bring your own LLM, you can use one of ours, or combine multiple models, whatever best fits your business scenario. The studio provides a visual low-code environment where you can define what the agent does, what data it can access, and how it interacts with users or other systems. It's as easy as building a workflow, now that you're building an intelligent digital coworker that can act on your behalf. This is how enterprises start to scale AI across every function, securely, responsibly, and with governance built in from the start. Of course, none of this works without strong oversight. That's why we've built the AI Control Tower, the unified command center for your entire AI ecosystem. It's where you govern, secure, and optimize any AI agent, any model, any workflow across your enterprise, whether it's native to ServiceNow or a third party. The Control Tower gives you one pane of glass to manage AI responsibly, connecting every investment back to your business strategy with full visibility and control. And it's built with enterprise-grade security and compliance, so your AI connects to the right data and only the right data. AI Agent Fabric enables native collaboration between agentic systems, AWS, Microsoft, Cisco, IBM, Zoom, Adobe, and goes east to west across every function and north to south up and down the stack. This is why companies like NVIDIA and Starbucks and Intuit and ExxonMobil and Merck and Wells Fargo, organizations that literally help the world run, are embedded with ServiceNow. They're not just automating, they are transforming how work gets done. So let's make it real. Pure Storage. 72% of service cases are solved before the customer even notices a problem. Bell Canada resolved 3 million support calls using AI. Keysight Technologies cut quote generation time by over 40%. Adobe, 30,000 employees use ServiceNow, and they reduced content production cycles from months to days, shifting from static websites to conversational interfaces. So when we talk about agentic AI, it's not just a buzzword, it is the next chapter in enterprise transformation. And ServiceNow is the only platform that brings data, AI, and workflows together securely in real time and at scale to help you make that shift with confidence. So let's go to the workflow layer. The workflow layer powers everything we do. A workflow is a clear step-by-step process from A to B to C to D. So you log onto your computer, you open up your email, you have a conversation with a customer, you report that in your CRM system because you want to make sure that you're referencing their satisfaction or happiness with a result that has been performed. ServiceNow has built these deterministic workflows across IT, HR, procurement, supply chain, finance, CRM, call centers, field service, all on one platform. Because everything runs on a single architecture and data model, our R&D and product teams innovate faster with no tech debt slowing them down. Now, we've enhanced these workflows with Gen AI to drive even greater productivity and cost efficiency. And we've added the ability to augment, replace, or coexist with autonomous AI agents, all from the same platform. ServiceNow is the only platform that brings together deterministic workflows, out-of-the-box Gen AI capabilities, and autonomous AI agents, all running on a single architecture and unified data model. This is what powers Now Assist. For customers and partners already using Now Assist, all of these new agentic AI features are included already, and the capabilities are doubling every 90 days. To make the most of these AI features, it's important to clean up custom code. Old customizations often block AI models from working efficiently, and in many cases, that functionality now exists natively on the platform. An instance with minimal customization can be upgraded in days versus years for legacy ERP or CRM systems. That is massive savings in terms of time and cost, and far greater agility. For partners, this means new ways to combine workflows into industry-specific solutions. So you package out-of-the-box capabilities for a vertical or sub-vertical and transform end-to-end workflows, all powered by AI, connected through a single system of engagement, and synchronized with existing operational data. We do not expect our customers to rip out their existing ERP or CRM systems. Those remain strong systems of record. But by modernizing the workflow experience layer on top of all of them is how we drive real transformation. So why is ServiceNow built for the AI era? Hyperscalers excel at infrastructure and data modeling, AWS being one of them, but you have to build workflows from scratch. Legacy enterprise apps, ERP and CRM, have solid business logic, but they carry massive tech debt from decades of acquisitions. ServiceNow sits right in the middle, uniquely positioned for the AI era with one data model, one architecture, and AI built directly into the platform. We run 92% of the Fortune 500 and started in IT, but now have expanded across the enterprise. So competitors do try to label ServiceNow as just another ERP or CRM, but that's outdated thinking. Architecturally and technologically, we are built for the future, leading business transformation through AI. And when customers see our agentic AI in action, they immediately understand why ServiceNow is the AI platform for the enterprise, an experience layer purpose-built to manage, govern, and secure your entire AI ecosystem. The way you work changes forever because AI is the new UI. So how do we put AI to work for people? 1, AI agents. They don't just assist, they act. 2, data, unified and AI ready through workflow data fabric. And 3, workflows. the #1 automation engine powering all of it. Thank you, and I look forward to working together.